The TripSaver Segmented Plug from Canadian Casing Accessories addresses the trend towards more monobore style completions and the fact that operators still need to run a separate trip to mill out the surface casing cement displacement plug and float prior to running the directional drilling assembly. Bypassing the dedicated trip to mill out the surface casing cement displacement plug and float and attempting to do this with the directional drilling assembly often results in the smaller OD bit drilling right through the surface cement displacement plug and the plug becoming speared on the drill pipe. This can lead to complications such as loss of drill fluids, poor or inconsistent returns, lost rig time, etc. The CCAI TripSaver Segmented Cement Displacement Plug has been designed specifically to eliminate the need to make a separate trip to drill out the surface cement plug and float. Unlike conventional one-piece molded cement displacement plugs, the CCAI TripSaver plug is engineered to release all of its fins when the small OD bit drills through the core. This is a segmented plug, so running procedures are a bit different. Operators need to bump and pressure test before bleeding back to check the floats. 2.0 meters cubed before plug bump. Slow the pump rate to 0.5 meters cubed per minute. Bump plug and build 3 to 5 MPa additional pressure, then stop the pump. Start the pump and conduct a pressure test. If your pressure test is successful, bleed back and check floats. The plug components are lightweight and the plug cuttings are circulated back to surface. The unique color coding of the plug components make it easy to identify at the shaker. Contact Canadian Casing Accessories today to learn more.